All right. Thanks to everyone for joining. Can someone confirm that you can hear me or not? Hello, hello. Can someone hear me? Hey, Mr. Pisiman, thanks a lot on this. All right. Yeah. So let's start for today. So uh, I'm I'm going to share my screen so that we can start for today. This is going to be quite packed office hour. But firstly, let me announce everyone to this event. Wait me a second. Share. Oops. Share and copy image. Okay. All right. Thanks for waiting. For the draft work. So I hope that you can see my screen as of now. So this is office hour number 23. So which is we have a few topics that we go through. So the first topic is about like the Black Friday campaign on AppSumo. So the office this campaign is going to end, I think, in around like 50 minutes. So if you haven't grabbed this one of your, this is your last chance to pick up this one. All right. So next one is I would like to jump directly into what's new for today. Okay. So we would like to honor to introduce you that we have a new, totally new marketplace, completely revamped. So if you log into AgenticFlow today, you should be able to see the new marketplace page with the new like one-click setup, one agent, and with the feature template of the workflow agent and so on and so on. So I'm really excited about this one, and I'm going to go through and share with everyone on how does it look like. Okay, but I would like to make sure that everyone still hear me, so I will just go back here. All right, so for marketplace, so let's go into AgenticFlow. Okay. So when you visit AgenticFlow in here, you will see that there is new tab, which is Marketplace. And then this one is going to having the completely revamped with a new page. And this area, which is turn website visitor to a customer. So this basically a new one-click agent that you can also starting when you talk to your customer and you would like to create an agent for them. Instead of like going to on and on, you just type their website in here, like Zara.com. Just create for free, and then our agent is going to scrapping the targeted website and also to do some learning and also setting up for your first agent that immediately. Okay, so this is the one very important one that we would like to reducing the hiccup of your first agent. So the easiest way to make your first agent is to type your website into that. Okay. All right, so under 1 minute, you have your first agent for Zara.com. So let's explore this agent. Okay, you will see that there's an agent. This is the normal agent editor. On the left-hand side, you will see the system prompt where you can see what is this agent is config of. You can click on this icon. So it will show you like what is the name of the agent, what is the role, and there's some information about the website so that we are getting the information from the website so that we providing the agent so it know what is it doing. And there's some instruction that we put in here like search before answering, and also never reveal and some tasks in here. Okay. We also having some of the we're adding two plugin for this, which is one of the web search and web retrieval. So this is actually built in the new plugin that we create for AgenticFlow. These two plugin is just like a name. It allowing the agent to do the search on the web and also to retrieve the information from the search result. So these two information is going to like helping the agent to have the ability to browsing the Zara.com website and also answering the question from Zara.com. All right, so that's very basic. So let's jump direct into it. So you will create new chat. You will see that there is some of the suggested message in here, and you can select any of the. And in order to do this one, actually you can modify this suggested message in this area where you can enter up to 4 of the suggested message and to typing anything. Okay, so I will just put into tell me about your company. Okay, so it will do the search retrieval. It will answer. Okay, absolutely. We are making the information about Zara.com, so it should be knowing the this one. So I will ask a question. Okay, where can I find Zara's side chart? Okay, so as you can see that it will search the website and also retrieve the information on the fly. So we equip nothing to the agent, but the agent had the ability to answering the information on Zara, like side charge and also this one. It even can link the website. You can see this is the website like Zara.com, Help Center, my site. Let me click on this one to see. All right. So this is okay, right? So it's leading to the correct website. So as you can see in here, in just one URL, and we can create an agent for Azara. This agent have the ability to answer everything that publicly showing on Zara website because it's search and it's retrieve and it's also doing citation to understand like what is the information that is getting from and what is the payment method that Zara support. Okay, so Zara support Visa, PayPal, gift card, so on and so on. So that is it. You are creating for your Zara.com website agent in just 1 minute. But what did we go from here? So we're also doing the revamp on the share button. So if you click on the right hand side in this area, you click on here. So you will see that there will be a different UI on this one. So you will see like who are having the access to this agent. So currently we put it in a general, which is the project general, it contain of 10 people. And we can click on this shareable link in order to copy the URL. So I will paste this URL in here. And this guy is going to lead into the exactly agent that in agent editor. So this URL is more for like the team that's sharing the agent so that we build together. But for the other like external people, so you have the ability to either get embedded code. So you click on this one, and then it will show you that there will be the agent that public possible, so that you can either shareable link. So you copy this one, and you open it in a new website. So you have the agent that you can just send to anyone, so that they can experiencing this agent as your customer. And you also have the ability to embed a snippet as an iframe. So for example, like I'm clicking on this iframe, and then I'm going to, for example, like the Blue Tree School, and I'm going to finding a website that I can try, and I am embedding this one. I just embed here. Okay, so we are rendering this agent into this one. You will see the area is a bit small, but maybe you can put min height is like 600, and then just run it again. Okay, so it's better. It's good, right? So you can embed it to your website. You just create a new page and embedding this iframe into that, and then you have your agent that are publishing on your website. Okay, and what else? Wait, let me go back. Huh? The Discord. Uh, Wait, which screen are you seeing? I will stop. I will share again. How about now? What happened? Let me change to screen share. I'm going to do another one, which is this one. Mm, let me quit Discord and I will do it again. Okay, give me 1 second. Yeah, just wait for a second. I'm getting back to Discord. Hey, I'm back. Sorry about that. So I'm going to share my screen again on this one. How about now? So which screen are you seeing? The screen with the share button, is it? All right. So I will turn off this one. You should see my screen with Agent Builder with the pop-up already turned off. All right. I hope that it is getting back. Yes, apologize. I don't know why Discord having this real problem. But sorry, I would like to show you everyone again on where we are. So we are introducing marketplace, and I would like to double check. Okay, you're seeing this correct screen. So the marketplace is completely revamped with like easy to browse, filter, and search in this area, and then it will allow you to show and tell your agent. You can also doing the download template or try it first, and we're also having the open for monetization where you can put a price to the template that you are showing up, so that maybe later if there's someone that having the need and they see your agent is really good, you can make some revenue incoming from that. Okay, so I'm going to go through the details of the marketplace one by one so that you can have a look. Okay, I have to double check which one after the other. All right, so the first one is on the marketplace. So the first area on the top hand side here is the one-click setup. So you can click on this one and you can type the website, any website like Zara.com. And if you click on this Zara.com, it will show you to create your assistant to sync your knowledge. Okay. All right, and this one is going to training the agent have the ability to accessing the website that you paste. In my case, that will be Zara.com. Okay, the agent is now ready, and you can click on Explore Assistant. This will then take you into the agent editor, and this is your new agent, AI agent for Zara.com, and you can modify the title and description here, or even the avatar. And in this area, on the left-hand side, it's going to be your system prompt where you are instructing the agent how to behave. And you can click on this icon. You can read the information that we pre-populate from your one-click agent. This is just example, but you can modify anything you like, from name, role, information about a website that it's taking care of, and from other information as instruction as well. In the middle, you will see that there will be three sections: skill, knowledge, memory, and chat experience. So in this agent, we are activating two plugins for this agent, and it's including the web search and web retrieval. So as per the description on the left hand side here, so I'm asking the agent that they can use some of the tool like search to search for the site under Zara.com. Answer this one is like Google search, and second one is after the search result returning some URL, it's going to get that URL and retrieve the information using the second plugin, which is web retrieval. So this is the two main plugin that are going to help you to create an agent that's very easy, but can answer to any question about any website that you paste here. So let's have a look on the new chat. And in this one, it's going to show you few of the area that you can preview and debug. So you can chat with your agent and experience how it look like. And you can just like maybe show me your bestseller, and let's see the agent is respond. Wait, why the screen is always guy? I think the Discord is having problem. The stream is not even loading. But stop streaming, share screen. Yeah, guys, I think you guys can might have to go to YouTube. Uh, I would suggest that we have to figure out some of the way. I don't know why what Discord is having problem today. Uh, what I'm going to do now is to switch off my, and I hope that it's going to getting better. I will stop share screaming one more time. I will share on Discord one more time. Okay. I hope that this is getting better on this one. I turn off my camera, and the audio should be showing my editor, agent editor. All right. Okay, so sorry, take a lot of time. We have to run for this one. We will figure out what next. But what is answering is it will allow the agent to answer the question, and you can actually doing a lot of things with the just very simple tool, which is the search and retrieval. So that is how easy you create your first agent on this one. So if you can see in here, when I'm asking the agent to answer the shipping method of like Zara, it is always correct because it's browsing their website correctly, and it even citation on the link. So for example, like this one is delivery method of the agent, and it's going to show you the delivery method of Zara.com. Okay, I hope that yeah, Mr. Busy Man. I think the problem of like Discord is it cannot streaming. I don't know why. The streaming quality is just so slow. I don't know what happened, but I would suggest that you could use on YouTube. Okay. Yep. So let me move on. And after this agent is having this area, then what you can do, you can click on this share button, and then it will allow you to either get an embedded code. So you can click on this one to public as a chat UI, like a shareable link. You can copy this one and go into the new website and paste here. So you can paste it and send to anyone as a like hyperlink. Or what you can do is you can embedding this snippet in iframe, and you can copy this iframe, and then you can go into another website and you just embed this here, and this is how it's going to show up. And you can create a new page in any of the website and embed this agent into this area. All right. And you can also embedding as a chat widget as well. So you click on chat widget, and then you click on this one. And then, for example, like you will replacing this iframe with the new chat widget. So you will see that this on the right hand side here, there's small bubble. So that is how it's going to display on your website. You can click here, and then this one is going to show you like how you chat with the agent. Okay. And yep, so as you can see, the agent is going to respond. Firstly, it's going to search, it will analyze, and then it will answer the question of the customer with the citation for all of the answer. So we make sure that information is correct because it is public on the website, right? So it's good. Okay. So that is the new section. We call it one-click agent. So it's going to help you to create your first agent, which is very simple. Only one URL of your customer, press one button, you will have that agent. Okay, so that is number one. After that, you can export the agent into a JSON file so that you can store or you can share to your friend or family, or you can publish. Okay, so this one is interesting. So this publish is going to allow you to publish to different platforms like Shopify, Discord, WordPress, Magento, BigCommerce. All of these have the instruction already, and I think you should be familiar with that. But what we are introducing new today is actually the East one, an AgenticFlow publishing platform. So first one, you are going to publish this agent as a marketplace template. So you can click on here and you can change the name and also description, and then you can choose the category that is it belong to. This one is customer support. Then you go into next and you select a thumbnail of this one. So I don't have a thumbnail for this one, but I'm going to go to AgenticFlow. And perhaps that I'm going to take this picture. I will save the image as here. And I'm going to choose that image as a thumbnail for here. Okay. And we're also showing you a preview of how is it going to display well. So this is AI agent for Zara.com. I will click next. And what I can do is that I will select the example of the message that I chat with the agent. And some of the thread is showing public. So it's going to show everyone on how it's going to look like. If you click here, it will show up like what is the chat is going to look like so that you can preview. And after that, you can click next. And because of the agent is going to have some of the workflow that embedded to it, so you need to switch on this one if the workflow is included so that you can publish. So you can click publish. All right, the agent is create, and you can click on this one in order to view your latest AI agent for Zara.com. So I just publishing this agent, and it will show you here on the left hand side, and I can even like showing what does the reply look like. So if I go into my profile, so I click on this one, then it will go into my profile page, which is at AgenticFlow. And in here, this is the AgenticFlow official, and we are already publishing 88 templates already, and we received 5 likes from some of us. And you will see that these are the AI agent that we just create. And the agent that we just create, like AI agent for Zara.com, it's showing here, and it will be published so that everyone can have a look, and perhaps that they can click on this one. They can see what is the example of the AI agent look like, and they can choose to download and duplicate, or maybe later when you have the pricing in here, they can choose and buy it. So that is the how is it going to look like when we are introducing new marketplace area. Okay, so if you go back in here, you will see that if you there's also a new page that on the left hand side that is public management. Okay, so let me go into back into my accuracy drawer. So we are introducing public management. So we are consider workflow agent and multi-agent as a new app. So marketplace is kind of the app store, and the public management is where you manage your app store profile. So in here, when you are visiting this area, then you have the ability to manage your AgenticFlow official, like what I do. You can click on here to edit your profile, own up like username, display name, bio, even your website, like your agency, how people can contact you on social media. You can select a profile page and cover page and save change. And on the underneath of this, you will have the ability to manage all of the like workflow or agent or multi-agent that you create. Is including workflow or agent, the one that I just create, like Zara.com. If I need to edit something, I click here. It will allow me to do some editing on this agent, and I can even doing some of the delete on the agent as well, if I would love to. So for example, like this one, let me refresh first. Let's go into agent and click here, edit. There's some issue with this. We will fix that. So you can also doing some delete function with this one. So this action cannot be undone. So please be careful with that. All right. Yeah, so that is also the second announcement that I would like to share, which is the public management page. So currently the marketplace is available and you can visit. For public management page, currently is available for tier 5 customer. So like what I already showed. So if you are in love with to become like showing your portfolio and AI agency, you can consider to take tier 5 because it is including the public management. And just end, it will be around and in 30 minutes. All right. All right, good. So I think that's it on the public management and marketplace page. Yeah, you can choose your username, of course. You can edit portfolio and do certain things. So before moving to the next topic, which is Opus 4.5, I'm going to go to YouTube and Discord if you have any question. Okay. YouTube. All right. I don't think that we have any question on YouTube today. Hey, Dinton. And hi, Share. Yeah. Thanks for coming. Apologize for the problem on Discord side. We will have to figure out what is the best way of doing that. All right. So moving apart from the marketplace and also the public thing, what I would like to share is we also have a new frontier models, and that is Opus 4.5. Currently, it's also available in AgenticFlow. You can use that via bring your own key or Pixelmail open router. And let me open the website from Anthropic so that to understand what they are introducing about this model. Okay. So this is the newest model, Opus 4.5. It is scoring like 80% in software engineer. So it is much higher. Not much higher. Actually, because this one is 77 and this is 80. So actually 3% increase. Not as much. Even in the chart, they make it really huge gap. But actually, it's starting from 70. So you can see that it is 5% better than Opus 4.1. And also it's getting better than Gemini 3 Pro, which is around 4%. And even with 5.1 GPT, it's also 4% better. So I would say in the benchmark, it is not as much higher than the other. But what more interesting about Opus is about the real life use case. I'm going to go through that later. Okay. So the first impression, I think all of the benchmark, everyone is going to claiming their best of the model when they are coming out on the first day. But what I'm interesting the most from this Opus 4.5 is actually the ability that we use in the day-to-day use. So this is very interesting. So this is a post that we see from Reddit. So it's even cheaper than Sonnet 4.5. So this is so this guy. So he is doing the max plan $100 a month, and actually he doing the testing on the users, and he using Opus 4.5 in about first 2.5 hour, and he was kind of like at the 67% of the 5 hour limit, and then In the second half of the 2.5 hour of the 5 hour limit, he switched to Sonnet. So actually, we hope that when we are switching to Sonnet, we will have the longer ride. We will not hit the limit. But the problem is, what he is saying is he hit the limit faster than expected. So he making a hypothesis that the Opus 4.5 is following instruction better, leading to fewer retry and much fewer token spent. So is it cheaper than Sonnet 4.5 because actually you get to where you want faster. And this is conclude into a very famous quote from Jensen Huang: "The more you buy, the more you save." Okay, sorry. So you buy more the intelligent model. So actually you can save more in this area. And yeah, we are kind of like experimenting on this. And our first impression is that Opus 4.5 is much more precise, fast, and cheaper on outcome. When we are talking about very complicated software engineering tasks, so it's currently available now in AgenticFlow. You can go into this one, and you can go into your agent, and you can click here on the left hand side, and then you click to this area, and you can go into Anthropic. You will see that there's a new model, Claude 4.5 Opus, or you can click on PixelML Open Router. It's also having the 4.5 Opus. You can choose this one to confirm on this area, and then this will be okay to go. Okay. So the question, we have a question from Mr. BC Man. Have you switched to GOM for Agentic Flow internal? Yes. So currently, if you go into Agentic Flow, and then there will be a GOM model in here that you can use in the Agentic Flow bucket. And your agent will be powered by this GOM 4.5 Air model. So personally, I'm still using this one for the like coding task that not requires too much thinking. So normally I'm going to using a kind of a smarter model to do the planning, but for the code execution based on that plan, I'm going to using 4.5 Air because it's going to be cheaper, faster, and very dedicated to doing on this area. Okay, and yeah, so I think that's it. I think let me check if there's some message from the team. Uh, okay, the team is send me some message about like wrong scenes rating. Okay, Hey guys, can you hear me or not? Can someone hear me? Hello, 1 2 1 2. So Discord is okay, but YouTube, I don't know why, but today is having Discord problem and also YouTube problem. Um, Maybe not a lucky day, but I hope that I will try to cover this again. I'm sorry about that. So where we was, so Opus 4.5 is here. Please try it. We try it, and the confirmation is that it's very precise, fast, and perhaps that it's going to be cheaper on outcome comparing to using Sonnet uh, all on thinking task. Okay, so that is the one that I would like to share. Second one is about the RoboMotion MCP with AgenticFlow. So I bought a lifetime deal on RoboMotion, and I stay until 3 a.m. yesterday to troubleshooting with their co-founder on this one. We believe that RoboMotion will be great part of the multi-agent system. It can be a specialized agent that have ability to access to the thing that agent in AgenticFlow cannot access, which is the website or the system that have no API at all. So we believe that with this combination, it's going to build a very powerful automation system where Agentic Flow is serving as a brand, and also the RoboMotion is acting as a hands to do the thing that Agentic Flow cannot do. So I think there's a customer that suggesting to us in AppSumo and also in Discord, which is I really appreciate. And I think that is a valid point, and I will try to realize that, and I will make a video to show everyone how to do it. Okay. Currently, the problem is there's a bug in the RoboMotion MCP that should be fixed in a week or two by RoboMotion team, and I hope that I can demo in Office Hour 31 with that. Okay. I need to check on YouTube again if you can still hear me. Okay. I hope everything is okay. Okay. Yeah, yeah. I think I will do another meeting next time on that. Okay. So next one I would like to share is um we launched on AppSumo, and this AppSumo is actually a kind of like we consider it as a successful campaign, where we receive a latest feedback, a new customer, and also having the really um, uh, kind of like learning it a hard way on where we are missing. So our December theme is to back to basic. We will fix three things. The first thing is about documentation. In Docs AgenticFlow.ai, we actually revamped the entire documentation. Okay, so what we did is we create an AI agent to read our code and write documentation. The second one, our engineer proved reading this, and we equip the docs as a source of truth to our copilot. And yeah, we will bring back the native copilot and LLM.text to be updated so that you can download that file and also add to your agent. So I hope that with this support from copilot and documentation, you will have the full visibility about the platform, what it can do, and it's going to be the first topic that we need to fix. Okay. The second one is we are going to work on the Agentic Academy. So this is our initiative in order to ensure that you get what you are investing for. You have the platform that's really powerful, but maybe you don't know how to maximize the use of that. So we will bring you the Agentic Flow 101 course, which is consolidated starter video that's going to be re-recorded to explain the fundamental concept in a kind of like classroom experience. Second one is we will release more tutorial that focus on practical use case, and it's going to be step by step and easy to follow, and also with template as well. And because we are also announcing the marketplace in here in marketplace, so it means after each of the tutorial, we will release the template in here that you can see the template, and you can also doing some kinds of like you can even like replicate a template to your workspace and then use that. Okay, so we have a lot of like template that building and by our team already, and we will continue to add this template, and perhaps also with a more community template as well, it's going to be much more helpful. Okay, and what else? So we are introducing a new section. Okay, so this is going to be a build section number 1. So it's going to be a Friday 0 to 1 build section. I need to ungroup this one. How can I ungroup this one? Ungroup. Okay, so it's going to be 0 to 1 build section. So office hour is to discuss what new and share template, but we all realize that also I'm having the discussion with some of you is that in this office hour is mostly I will share and you listen, so and you are asking some question. It is useful, but it is not practical where you can live in the section with something that you can put into your day-to-day work. So we believe that we need another type of engagement. So we are having the 0 to 1 build section. The first one is going to be this Friday, 9 a.m. PST. We will sit together. We will build the agent from 0 to 1. We will build, we will debug, and we can chat about agentic AI. The aim is to have a working workflow agent and multi-agent in your workspace, because I hope that you join me, you have your laptop with you, you build together with me, and if you have bug, we can even like pick up a call like John and we debug together. Maybe just a small group of I don't know 5-10 people. Depends. Even 2 people. I'm also doing that. So there's some topic that I would like to do. For example, like build an agent for meeting preparation. For example, like you enter a meeting, you don't know the customer, you can build a lead contact enrichment agent that's going to help you to scrap the information about that customer based on the information or their email, so that you are more well prepared. Or you can build a meeting notes to content using AI agent. For example, like you are doing the sales transcript, you have the transcript, but you would like to transcript that one into something that in a format or template that you want. We can build that together. We can build a AI agent for HR and recruitment. We can build an SEO AI agent. We can build a designer. We can build create content creation. We can build a sales agent. We can build marketing agent. So I'm aiming that in each of the build section, it's going to be one topic. When we finish that, if we still have time, we do a next one. And but at least we need to finish one. And this is build section. So yeah, this is on just idea. It is 0 to 1. It is outcome oriented. You can Q&A with me, and also we will yes. So my cat is actually creating some stuff in here. All right. I'm sorry about that. Okay. Okay, my cat was really messed up in here. So I think that is the idea on the build section. I hope that this is going to be something useful, and it's going to be happen bi-weekly. So the first to be on the oops. The first one is going to be on the uh, this Friday on the December 5th, and it's going to be having another one by the December 19th, which is before Christmas. So I hope that you can have arrange to join us, and if that is something that is useful, please let us know. You can go into Discord. If you go into Discord and you go into the event section, you will see that there's a event section. I will also sharing the link into YouTube as well, so that you can come and join us. Okay. Yeah. So this is the event on Discord. For next one, I'm going to try to triple sort on Discord to see that there's no other problem on this one. But anyway, so that is it on the topic hour today. So let's recap. Black Friday is ending. Oh, it is 5 minutes left. Okay. So introduction to marketplace, which is completely revamped, easy to browse, filter search. People will show and tell. They will see the agent workflow and multi-agent even before they try. you can try or download, or you can monetization with that later. If you are becoming a creator, you can manage public page, edit publics. We're introducing Opus 4.5. We're also working on RoboMotion, MCB with AgenticFlow. We are working on documentation, back to basic. And finally, we are hosting our first build section on this Friday on 9 a.m. PST. I hope that this is something that's useful. If you have any question, feel free to let me know. And yeah, I'm happy to answer. All right, on YouTube. So what else? What would you like to discuss? Or if you have any question, I still have, I think, 4 more minutes on this one. Oh, okay. On Discord, there's a question from Mr. PC Man. Skill MD are different from knowledge-based file or other knowledge. If they are different, how do you create a new create agent knowledge? So skill.md is the ability that doing the how to say, it is like portable. So it's mean, let me come back into to here to my agent. Back in here, and I will see that when I have a skill in my workspace, which is the travel planner 2, which I just create. For example, I need to create a new agent. I just new agent travel planner. Then I'm just need to enable this one, and I add an existing skill, which is already travel planner. So I don't need to re-upload again, and I will have the ability that create multiple agents that sharing the same skill. And when I having a skill that working already, then I can actually reuse that into many of the agent. And if there is something that I would like to change on this skill, then I just need to go into this AI drive and also modify this skill.md, and everyone is every agent that rely on this skill is going to be updated, and I don't need to go into every agent to modify again. And the major difference between um, the um, the the knowledge which is on the library and about the AI drive is that so you have the ability to equip the skill to multiple agent. And for the library in here, the text document and also in here is actually going to be uh, embedded. So it's mean if you go into text and then you click add, then there will be some of the HR policy. So these are the documentation that already embedded. So it's going to be vectorized and transformed into the agent knowledge, so that the agent can answer about this information, but it doesn't provide the instruction for the agent to do certain things. So this skill is more about like the SOP for the agent to behave. This text is more like the memory, so that you can ask the agent to retrieve this exactly information when you need them. So those are two different things. Yeah. Okay. There's another question from Umbra. Is there a way to generate JPEG image with image generator action on a workflow? Uh, we can generate a PNG, but I don't think that we can generate a JPEG. I think we can go here. Let's search for image, and then we can having generate image here, and then you can yeah, just connect here and then run. This is invalid key because this is the workspace that I use for the template. Let's search for image here. I can use this one. Let's run. Yeah, you can see the image is showing here, and if you click on this button download, it will show you here this button, and the image is .png. So I will save image. As you can see here, the image is currently at PNG. So we do not support JPEG. Yeah, at the moment there is no JPEG. But what you can do is that you can actually duplicate this one, and then you can do for example, like Python. So this run Python code is actually a connection that allow you to have a kind of like a code execution environment, so that you can download the image and then you can transform that into a JPEG. But yeah, that will require some Python code execution to do the convert on this area. Yeah. So you're just connecting the information from generate image node into Python code, and perhaps that you can write some Python script in order to convert the PNG to JPEG. Yeah. Um, so there's a question from YouTube. You need to add a CNAME for chatbot URL to match our domain. So at the moment, there's no the CNAME available yet. But actually, you don't need a CNAME, because what we allow you to do is you go into agent here, and then if you go into edit agent, and then you click share, then actually you get embedded code. Click here, and then you can have the full embedded snippet as an iframe already, so you can pack that under any of your URL, or you can pack it as a chat box, which is the bubble chat on the right corner. So you don't really need the CNAME. Or if you have some development capability, you can also using our API, which is, we also announced. So let me go into docs.agenticflow.ai. So in here, if you search for API, then there will be a API reference. And in this API reference, we will have the agent response. So it means you can follow this instruction in order to trigger your agent via API. So you can build whatever that you need with that. You don't even need a CNAME. Yeah. Okay, I hope that is answering to your question. When a PDF available in text storage? Oh, actually, the PDF is available already, so you can upload any PDF. So in text here, if you click here and you click create in text format, it will support, as you can see in here, we support PDF, TXT, MD, Docs, and DocX. So on any of these five is okay. Test PDF and test. So I'm going to, for example, I'm going to have some other PDF file, for example, like nested paper, Google. Okay, so this is a new paper by Google, which is quite new. And I'm going to drag this into AgenticFlow. Where is it? Sorry. I'm going to add text, add here, create text format, test nested intelligent. Okay, I just next. I just drag the file that I just download here, and I just next. Okay, there will be some topic in here, but you can read more in our docs, but you don't need that. You just click, and you'll see that we pass the text on the left hand side into something trunk on the right hand side, and then this is a preview. And if everything okay, then you just click next, and then the agent is going to be trained with this information. There will be some progress percentage in here. Just wait a bit. Okay, it turned green already, so the agent already uh, transform into the memory, and you can click confirm and click add and save. So I'm going to ask some question about this agent, for example, like uh, next learning. Okay, tell me about. Because because I do some. Okay, I remove this one. Uh, use your okay. Sometimes we have to assist. Hmm. Okay. So sometimes we have to explicitly tell the agent to use knowledge retrieval. So you can instruct that on the left hand side in the system prompt so that it will use the knowledge retrieval in order to get the information out and then summarize and also answer to the customer. Yeah. So that is how it works. So the online reference is not available to scan online site. But what I show you before is that you can go into marketplace and then you can make a try. For example, like in the website like Zara.com, and this ability is actually demonstrate like how you can create an agent that going to access the information from the live website without even having to scrap the information from them, because it will operating in a way that it will always search for the latest information about that website and retrieve the information from that website. So technically, you don't even need an online document refresh, but yes, we can having the ability to make it online documentation later if that is a strong need from the community. But with these two new plugin, web search and web retrieval, you can actually having the better way of retrieving the online documentation already. So any timeline when built-in plugin will be ready for us. Hey Umbro, so I'm not sure which built-in plugin is not working or not, but basically, what I just show you, the web search and web retrieval should be okay. So you can click on built-in, and all of these tasks should be running already. If there's something wrong that having broken, please let us know, because we are working with a lot of things, so it could be going wrong. It can send email and doing some stuff like this one. Even there's some icon is wrong, but as you can see, the website and web retrieval is working. So the plugin should functioning as normal. Yeah, correct. So perhaps that before I was turned off the automatic knowledge retrieval. So that is showing some problem like that. Thanks for letting me know. All right. So thanks everyone for coming, and I'm glad that we have a good chat today. Apologize for for the hiccup with the Discord and also the YouTube audio problem. I need to find a better way of doing the streaming next time on this part. And yeah, so again, this Friday, a build section at 9 a.m. PST. If you have time, please tune in for an hour or half an hour. It's okay. We will pick one of the topic and we will build together from 0 to 1. And I will sit together with you and also we build that. And hopefully that we can make it as a useful section so that we can make it like a regular section every 2 weeks from now on. Onward. All right. I think that's it. Thanks everyone and have a good day. Bye bye. Thanks everyone on YouTube. Bye bye.